So if that Coleman first aid kit was too much for you, this is the video for you. My name is Wes and welcome to Backpacking Central. We're all about hiking, survival, and preparedness. So if that Coleman family first aid kit wasn't enough, was too expensive at $7, this is a even smaller first aid kit. And you can see Johnson & Johnson. This is a plastic case. I believe these are $1 in the little travel section of like a Target or a Walmart or something like that. You know, you go to the travel section where they have like the lotions and the shampoos and like the teeny and like the medicine and the teeny cylindrical bottles and stuff like that. That's I believe where I found this. And you can get, you know, one if you can only afford one, or multiple to kind of throw. You know, I just throw these. I have several of these. I just kind of throw these in my bag, my car. Well, actually, I have a more comprehensive one in my car. But you know, if you haven't worked your way up to that, this is something you can put in your car, like in your console, because you never know when you're going to need a Band-Aid or, you know, some alcohol wipe or something. So it comes with two cleansing wipes. I believe they're alcohol wipes. I would assume they were, but I wasn't sure. Two small Band-Aids. 1, 2, 3. 3 larger ones and 1 finger one. That's or I guess that's a finger one. You know, for odd shapes. And then it comes with 1 gauze pad. So, you know, pretty basic. Again, it's only $1. You could put a lot more stuff in here. So here, I'll put this all back. But I mean, you could put other medicines you need in here. I mean, or you could buy 2 and put, you know, if you think you need more, you want more, you can put probably almost 2 of the things. Like you buy 2 and you put all the 2 in one. You know, just to have more stuff. But you know, this comes in a nice little case. You know, nothing crazy. This actually stays together. Unlike, I mean, you can't. There's no way it's a lot harder for it to get undone. Obviously, not as sturdy. You know, it bends. Obviously, you don't want to. You would crush this if you got it stuck under something. But yeah, you know, just a normal, pretty simple plastic white case. You could put, like I said, you could put other stuff in it, medicine, more Band-Aids or other stuff you may need, or that like triple antibiotic ointment. You know, if you have a little bottle of that or something, not bottle, but like little tube, I guess is what it's called, like a toothpaste looking tube. You can put that in there. But you know, this is just another simple, nice and easy first aid kit, or first aid. Yeah, I guess first aid kit. You know, that you can store around in different places. You know, it's great for travel, and that's, you know, about the cheapest you can get at $1. So I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.